Hello guys. So today we are moving to transparency. On the Scrum guide, transparency says that the emergent process and work must be visible to those performing the work as well as those receiving the work. Using our car illustration, this means that if you are building, we are a team of car engineers and we are building different parts of the car. We say the car engine is done, the windshield is done, the mirrors are done. What is left is the body of the car tires. We need to get a car battery, things like that. It must be visible. Everybody on the team must know what is going on. The stakeholders, the owner of the company, the CEO, the work must be visible to them. So it's not saying that you have your car engine is done, but it is not really done. So whatever it is that is done must be visible. And then the person on the receiving end, which is also the customer, the work must also be visible to them too. So if you are telling your customer that the car engine is done, the car engine must be really done and it must be working perfectly. So that was why I said in my first video that when you're done building something, you need to show it to the customer, the person that is receiving the work. Let them test it. Let them see that it's actually working. And they give you go ahead to say, okay, this is done. And then we mark it as done and we keep it somewhere. Before we now, move on to the next item. This is what transparency is in Scrum. In Scrum, whatever it is we are building must be visible. Once in a while, we show our progress to the stakeholders. Customers might be included in this instance. Then they must see that, okay, this thing is actually working. You log into the portal or you log into the app, you show a demo of what is actually working and what is left. You make progress, you give progress reports. Let everybody be aware because decisions will be made based on whatever it is you are showing them. So if something is not really done and then you go ahead to say, oh, it is done. Naturally, when you tell someone that, oh, this is done, you want to move on to the next item on the agenda. When you move on to the next item on the agenda and it is not, the previous work is not really done, then there will be, troubles at the end of the building cycle. So that is why it is important that transparency is being made to those who are doing the work and those who are receiving the work. In my next video, we'll be talking about adaptation. Oh, inspection.